ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to our segment called Chronicles of the Past, where we talk about significant historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is 12th of August, and today's facts are as follows. On August 12th, 1908, the Ford Motor Company built the first Model T car, revolutionizing the automobile industry and making cars accessible to the public. In 1946, on this day, the Indian National Congress agreed to join the British proposed interim government, a key step towards independence. Observed globally on August 12th, this day emphasizes the development, rights, and participation of youth in India. It's a platform to engage with youth-led innovation and employment issues. The International Youth Day. In 1762, British surveyor and geographer Sir George Everest, after whom the world's tallest peak was named, was born on this day. That's all for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, dear friends and listeners. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, stay curious and keep listening to Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I am your host, RJ Himanjali, signing off.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.